Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quesarito. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, including 2 large flour tortillas, about 1/4 cup of nacho cheese sauce, 1/4 cup of shredded cheese, and your choice of seasoned meat. Cook your ground beef or other protein with taco seasoning until it's fully browned. Make sure to drain any excess fat before proceeding. Now, let's build that iconic cheese shell. Take 1 large flour tortilla and spread about 2 tablespoons of nacho cheese sauce across its surface. Then, generously sprinkle about 2 ounces of shredded cheddar or a Mexican blend cheese over the nacho cheese. Place this tortilla in a warm pan or microwave it briefly until the cheese is perfectly melted and slightly crispy at the edges. With your cheese shell ready, place the second warm flour tortilla directly on top of the melted cheese. This creates the double layer effect. Now, spoon your seasoned meat filling into the center of the top tortilla. Feel free to add any other desired toppings like sour cream, rice, or beans. Carefully fold in the sides of both tortillas, then roll it up tightly from the bottom to create a secure, delicious quesarito. Your homemade quesarito is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately while the cheese is still warm and gooey. You can pair it with your favorite hot sauce, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh guacamole for an extra kick. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.